Hello everybody, Iulian Cimbala from Amsterdam, the city that has been able to represent something very important for my last years of experience in life and in network marketing. From this city comes my mentor, but as well from the city comes the company Success Factory, which has been the opportunity that I believed and I spent my time with obsession, with passion for the last 5 years. That's an important city, that's an important location, and for me this company has nice memories printed inside my heart. I can tell you that today I have a very important message for everybody around the world, for all the community of Success Factory, but as well for all the members who are active, who are not active, and especially as well for all the people who know me from all the social medias, who are in this industry and who are not in this industry. After 5 years of belief, of work, of dedication, of sacrifices, of beautiful events, of expansion all around the world, of events with thousands of people, and after so much years of investing and growing and evolving so much people around the world, unfortunately my journey has to come to an end with this company Success Factory. That will happen already from today, because what has happened in the last 2 weeks, it's something from the corporate side and from the management side that is unacceptable for my code of honor, for my principles of life, and for my philosophy. I'm very sad to say that, but unfortunately it is what it is, and I cannot keep going on with this journey together with you guys. I wish a great success to everybody. I wish the company to be able to fulfill the promises that has been able to made in the market. I really believe that I brought together with all the leaders around the world who followed me my contribution in the last years, and today I inform you that this journey and this boat will keep going on without me coming on board of it anymore. So I can tell you that I'm young, I'm passionate about this profession, I have changed thousands of lives around the world, and I'm looking forward to keep evolving and to transform as many lives around the world. I love the industry of network marketing. I love this profession. I love the memories, the excitement, and the experiences that a human being can go through a journey once is in a healthy, empowered environment like the network marketing. And I'm looking forward to keep going on this journey. And I'm looking forward to look for the next opportunity for our last house, for our leaders around the world, for me and my network family, because we want to keep going transforming lives. We want to keep making from this world a better world, and when a vehicle cannot bring you where you want, that means you need to find a new one that can bring you to the next level. I'm a networker. I like to get in touch with people. I like to transform people's lives. I love to travel, and I'm so much young that I'm still looking forward to evolve and to become day by day the best version of myself. And I need to choose the right opportunity and the right environment where I can transform and go to the next level, and that cannot happen with Success Factory. In the upcoming days, I'm gonna look around. I'm accepting all kind of offers. I'm accepting all kind of ideas, because right now me and my worldwide leaders, we are looking around. We are evaluating the next opportunities, the next home, final home that we are looking forward to have for us and for our future. And I can tell you that it's gonna be bigger than ever. I can tell you that it's gonna be faster than ever. And I can tell you it's gonna be much more intense than ever. Records are gonna be broken. You will hear a lot of noise in the market. A lot of leaders are gonna gather together, because I'm gonna make it one more time bigger than ever, and I'm looking forward to touch your life as well. Get ready, next week you will know more about it, and don't worry, the best is yet to come and the show must go on.